Hi class, and welcome to midweek 4 video announcement. I am feeling a little bit better. I still have a little nasally sinus, so if I look a little puffy, that's probably why. The Michigan weather is doing me in. So I want to go over 3 things with you today to really help you feel confident in tackling the essay, the comparison contrast essay that is due next week on Tuesday. First and foremost, I do want to congratulate everyone that is participating and engaging fully in the workshop discussions. They are not easy this week, and it is forcing you to try some things within your writing that you might not have been used to. And what I want to encourage you to do is to keep trying. The more you contribute to the discussion, the more feedback you'll get, not only from me, but from your peers as well. If you see a thumbs up or a like, that's probably me. But even as a colleague and a classmate for your peers, go ahead and like some of the things that you were interested in too, and then add a little comment to see how you can also give a little boost to your classmates and continue to give them confidence along the way. So that's one thing I want to say about the discussions. They're not easy this week, and they will continue to get a little bit more sophisticated. I will tell you that as we get more sophisticated in our thinking and our writing. The second thing I want to talk to you about is the reflection. The reflection is an easy 5 points. It really is part of your engagement. I just kind of separated it from the discussion board, and it gives you a chance to be really reflective. So we've talked about you as a writer, we've talked about the workshop model, and we'll continue to talk about how this applies to the workplace that you're interested in pursuing. So lots of different ways to just keep thinking about how writing and written expression is an important part, not just for essay writing, quite honestly, but just in terms of a thinking process. The last thing I want to talk to you about is probably the most important thing, and that is the submissions this week. So last time we had a peer review, it was a little rough going, but this time I know we're all going to nail it. So we are going to submit the rough draft twice, once to the rough draft assignment and the other to the peer review assignment. What gets tricky is the peer review says it's not due until the 16th. It's lying. You will be paired up with somebody else, and that peer review to your partner, that's what's due on the 16th. So the rough draft is due on the 14th, and then your peer review with your partner is due on the 16th. I have to be very firm on late work. So over time, we've kind of had, maybe 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. I cannot accept any more late work because we are working with such tight deadlines from here on out. So whatever your work process is or your life outside of school, I'm hoping you can narrow that and really prioritize over the next few weeks. We only have a few weeks left, and really put this front and center. When I share with you the peer review partners, I will do that Friday morning with anyone that's there. I will not be creating discussions. Do not email things to me, because that peer review spot, and if you've engaged in it, you know it's worthwhile, will be part of that score on the peer review side. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that for today. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Post any questions you have into the Module 4 I Need Help area and the SOS, and I will be certain to return that email promptly. All right, have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.